Hey guys, welcome back. So guys, in this video I'm going to show how to play Fall Guys in Android mobile. So which is the most popular game in the computer. So without any delay, let's get started. So guys, simply open the Play Store and search for Fall Guys. So guys, you can see the first icon. So simply tap on the first icon and install it. So guys, the app is in the development stage. So you cannot play with your friends in this game. So if you want to play with your friends in this game, so simply download the beta version in Play Store and you can enjoy with your friends. So guys, I will show you a sample game in this Fall Dudes. So simply open it.
Three, two, one. You win. Three, two, one. You win. Three, two, one. You lose.
So guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. So thank you for watching this video guys. Thank you.